Hey there! If you're new to UX and unsure how to structure your case studies, you're not alone. Whether you're building your first portfolio or aiming for that junior UX job, a great case study can change everything. Let me walk you through a simple, repeatable structure that works every time. No jargon, just clear, practical steps. 1. The hook. Start with the hook, your quick snapshot. What's the project? Who was it for? Why did it matter? Think of it like the blurb on the back of a book. Redesigned a food delivery app to reduce cart abandonment. Result: 20% increase in completed orders. Short, punchy, gives people a reason to keep reading. 2. The problem. Next, what problem were you solving? Avoid vague phrases like improve the user experience. Be specific. Users were dropping off at the payment screen due to a confusing layout and missing delivery estimates. Clarity here sets the stage for smart design decisions. 3. The process. Here's the heart of your case study. Break your process into clear phases. Research, interviews, surveys. What did you find? Define. What patterns did you notice? Ideation, sketches, wireframes. What ideas did you explore? Design. Show the evolution of your screens. Testing. What did user feedback change? Be honest. Show your thinking, not just polished screens. If something didn't work and you pivoted, talk about it. 4. The outcome. What happened? What changed? Quantify where you can. Task completion time dropped by 40%. Support tickets for checkout dropped by half. No data, no problem. Users said the new flow felt easier. Client approved the prototype without revisions. Always bring it back to the original problem. 5. The reflection. Wrap it up with a reflection. What did you learn? What would you do differently? Next time, I'd involve engineers earlier to flag constraints during ideation. That kind of maturity? Hiring teams love it. Hook, problem, process, outcome, reflection. This structure works whether you're brand new or experienced. Keep it real. Keep it focused on users. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with another designer, and hit that subscribe button for more no-fluff UX/UI content.